So let's talk about Man City versus Dortmund, Borussia Dortmund. So who could have expected this at the Etihad Stadium, that Borussia Dortmund have hit a goal and Man City didn't outplay them? Okay, to be very honest, I didn't watch the match. I went to the highlights, and I think Pep Guardiola would outplay Dortmund, considering what things are happening in the Bundesliga and where they stand. Dortmund stand there, but Dortmund played pretty well. Again, a screamer from Kevin De Bruyne in the starting. That's what we expect from him, and that's what he always delivers. Class, absolute class from Kevin De Bruyne. And in the end, I think I watched match for 25 minutes when the Liverpool and Madrid was a bit single-sided. So 25 minutes I thought Man City are outplaying them, and Haaland again wasn't able to pick up what is happening and what he's expecting. But Man City played well, but Dortmund again, Marco Reus stepped up for his team, and 84th minute he scored the goal. So it was a pretty good match, I can say. So let's talk about the lineups at the first. Again, Reus, Haaland and Knauff coming over, starting the match, and then Knauff being substituted. And the midfield, Emre Can, Jude Bellingham. Again, Jude Bellingham is a wonderful talent. We can't stop talking about him. And Dortmund, being Dortmund, taking those wonderful talents to them and selling them for high prices. So coming back, so the defense was pretty good, I can say. But considering what Man City's attack is, we can't do whatever this is. Again, Man City had a good game. Gabriel Jesus, Man City making only one chase. Who could have imagined that? Bernardo Silva going off for Gabriel Jesus. And then it was 1-1 around 85, 86, 87th minute, and we are saying Man City have put it off. It's gonna be a 1-1 draw, and a screamer from Phil Foden, and again an amazing talent coming up under Pep Guardiola. So this match now stands at a very equal position, I guess. Okay, City have a fair advantage, I can say, 2-1, but they have 2 home goals and Dortmund have an away goal. This factor affects every match. Like I said, versus Liverpool have an away goal, and now that means Madrid have to score at Anfield. So same thing goes over here, that Man City have to score at Dortmund in Germany. I don't remember the name, I'm sorry about that. So it will be very interesting to see, but I tip here Man City should go in. They are the favorites, of course. And again, the Haaland factor coming in, that Haaland wants to be in Champions League in order to go ahead. But will it be with his agent Mino Raiola going everywhere around the world, in Spain and in England, to talk about his transfer? So I don't think Dortmund are gonna win Champions League this year. Come on, let's be honest about that. So I don't think they're gonna do that, but 2-1 is a pretty good score over here, and I tip off Pep Guardiola to do it. To score a goal in away, I think Man City should do it, considering their squad depth and what they have been doing in the coming years. It will be very interesting to see again what happens over there, because let's not forget that Dortmund are a good team. Their stand-up manager, to say, for this season, I don't know what he will be thinking. I don't know how they start and how this is gonna happen. Just 5 days to go, so again we'll come to know about that. But I tip over here Man City will go ahead, and Pep Guardiola will be the upper man here, and I think they should do it this time. Thank you for listening.